Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to loan in Gotyme Bank. So in order to do it, you just have to simply launch your Gotyme Bank application and then you can start with the process. So Gotyme Bank in Philippines offers loan services primarily through partnership with platforms like PayMongo and Food Panda, targeting small and medium sized enterprises. So first you need to check for the eligibility. So if you are a merchant using PayMango's payment gateway, you may be eligible for the loans through the PayMango Capital powered by Gotyme Bank program. So here once you are on this page, you can just click on this Go Save option and you just have to simply go on the next step and proceed with the application process. Here you can even just take a look at this use time deposit option. So you can see this option. So you once you tap on this option, you can just proceed on the next step where you can just start your process of applying loan. Now here you need to remember that for Food Panda, if you are a vendor partnered with Food Panda, Gotyme Bank offers flexible loan option to support your business needs. So the loan application is concluded online. So after clicking this option, eliminating the need for the physical bank visits and the extensive paperwork. So as of now, Gotyme Bank's loan offerings are primarily through the specific partnerships. So for most of the current information and to explore the potential loan options, you can just take a look at your app and keep on just looking at it, and you can even contact to the Gotyme Bank directly. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.